This is the second in a series of 3 reports on Rick's case 644. This is area B. The next video will look at the bifid root, but section B was one of the pieces that was in the bottle. I don't know where this came from, and I don't know what was done with this tooth. It has the same appearance as section C, but when we actually look at it, you'll see it's quite a bit different. So going into the stitched image, when you go to the Google Drive, pick the SEMs and go to section B. And when you go into that, there'll be a variety of powers of stitched images, and you can go into those stitched images. At the lowest power, you get a good architectonic view of what the canal looked like. And again, did not really see any pulp tissue whatsoever. But as I mentioned, I don't know what was used on this tooth. But when we look at it closely, you'll see it isn't anything at all like section C. So when you go into the 300X stitched version, the survey view is, I've placed that on the top so you can kind of get a survey view first. But when you go into it, it looks like there's just nothing but instrumentation debris. You can barely make out any dentinal tubules, and to me this looks just like debris from instrumentation with very little irrigation actually, and whether there's bacteria here or biofilm, it's very difficult to tell. When you go into the stitched 1000X, you get a little better sense of just how messy this is. You don't get to see the mineralization front. You can see some dentinal tubules there, but it's all mixed in and chopped up with what looks to me like instrumentation debris. And there may very well be biofilm bacteria here, but it's very difficult to tell anything because there's so much just debris everywhere. So I would spend some time going into the Google Drive and really looking at these very carefully. That looks like there's a cellular layer from the predentin, just all chopped up. So it wouldn't surprise me if a laser or gentle wave was used on this. It looks like it's just instrumentation debris, or what a canal looks like before it's really been irrigated very much. So I'll do the bifid root next, and that is even different. So this is a very interesting case, not knowing what's been done here. There you can see some things that look like bacteria forms or cellular debris from the predentin. It's just very difficult to tell because there's so much just all mixed in together. So I hope you can take a look at this, and it should generate some discussion.